He was supposed to bring me a Gucci bag and he sold it. And I'm still waiting for my Gucci belt, sir. But moving on. Hey bunnies, for today's video we are going to be doing something a little bit different. Now on YouTube here I've seen a lot of these bougie on a budget videos and I absolutely love watching them, and as someone who is a self-proclaimed bougie person who's always on a budget, I thought I should do one of these videos as well. So I'm going to be showing you my designer dupes, the collection, the mini collection that I have so far, starting with my very first designer dupe purchase. This camel orange, I don't know what you'd call this, tan bag. Now where I got this bag from was from the back of someone's trunk. How much I paid for it? $100. Now, do I know which bag this replicates? No, I do not. I just know it had a big H on it. It has the Hermes on the zippers. The zipper is stuck right now and I can't get this open. Okay, there we go. It feels and looks like real leather. Look on the inside. This bag is absolutely gorgeous. Even on the inside it says Hermes Paris, made in France. It has a little pocket on the inside there. It has two little cell phone pockets here. It has the big H, oh, stuck in my hair. It has the big H on the front, which is also another little pocket right there. It comes with a shoulder strap so you can wear it over your shoulder like that. And when I first got this bag, which was in 2011, I want to say, I was absolutely in love with it. I haven't worn it in a really long time because it is so big, and then my style has kind of dwindled down to the smaller bag. Not really the smaller bag, because I do have the Neverfull bag that I carry every single day. So that you can say is my whatever, but I just have not brought this around as much anymore, and I probably should. It came with a dust bag, an orange dust bag with the Hermes Paris on the front of it, so it does fit in my bag very nicely. When you fold it up, you just slide it in there, you just slide it closed and all that good stuff. And I have carried the dust bag itself like on trips and stuff like that, to hold all my stuff. This is one of my worst purchases. This was for the Speedy bag in the ebene, what do you call this again? Not monogram. I forget what it is, but it's very flimsy. It's very thin. It starts stripping already. It's super cute, you know, for those like, you know, toss it around. It does have a little lock on there, but it is very flimsy. Just holding it, you know it's cheap, and I think I paid like less than $20 for it. And that's going to be one of my tips for this video. When you're making your designer dupe purchases, if it's too cheap, then it's too cheap. If it costs under, I want to say, if it costs under $50, don't buy it. Okay? Just don't get it at all, because you're gonna end up with something like this, super flimsy and just not worth your money at all. Like, why do this to yourself? Why put yourself, like, I know it's fake, but they don't need to know it's fake. Okay? Oh, also that bag did not come with a dust bag at all, so that's another down to that purchase. Third bag I absolutely love, and I did do a video on this like back in the day. I deleted that video since because I had links in there and all that stuff that would have gotten me and the seller in trouble. So I was like, all right, never mind, delete. So this one is another AliExpress purchase. This one, I don't remember the price, but I wanted this bag so much. This is a bag that I would actually spend real life money on, and it's the Chanel 2.55 bag. It's the medium size, I want to believe, with the gold hardware. I am a silver girl, but the gold, it was just yes. So of course it did come in the Chanel dust bag, Chanel Paris, and I do keep my bags in the dust bags that they come in, just so that they can, you know, not strip as easily, because again, they're fake, so you know it's not going to, yeah. So you have a double strap, and it can be adjusted to just one. It feels amazing. The leather feels so good. This is what you would call the, I think, the lamb skin, if I'm not mistaken. I scratched the back of it right here already. Oh my gosh, that's business cards and the little pocket flap there, and it does have the red interior. The little buckle clasp thing is already beginning to fade, but who cares? You open it and you have the little pocket part right here. On the top here, it does say Chanel Paris. The little zipper does have the 2 C's. You zip it open, and in here I just have a little perfume, little Paris Hilton roll-on perfume, which I literally keep forgetting is in there. Right here you have a little pocket, and right there I just have like some little sanitary napkins. You have another flap right here, and you have the 2 C's. You have the Chanel made in France. What does that say right there? Like some barcode thingies right there on the little button. You have the 2 zipper, 2 cell phone pocket things, the big compartment there. You have another, and I absolutely love this bag. Every time I see it, I just like fall more and more in love with it. This is one of my best purchases. My best purchase is coming up though. The best purchase I've ever made is coming up. This is not the best purchase I've ever made for a dupe at all. For those of you who know me, I love Kanye. When Kanye teamed up with Giuseppe Zanotti and came out with the, what are these called? The Cruel Summers. These are another item that I would save my coins for. Okay, I have them in white. I did get them again from AliExpress. AliExpress is one of my favorite places to get dupes from. It's harder now to find because they're cracking down and all that stuff. But if you know the right people, if you have the right connections, then you can find the items that you want. But this is what I got. The heel isn't super high, but when you put it on, it is super high. The flames, they come all the way up. The one difference that I noticed between this and the actual shoes, other than the slouching that you see going on right here, the flames on the shoes, on the real ones, they're a little bit higher than this. Just a little bit higher. And I would put them on for you guys to see, but it's hard with the whole lighting and the camera and the setup and everything, so I apologize for that. But this is them. I paid under $100. I paid about $50 for these, I think. Yeah, and that's them. They're white. I've worn them maybe 2 times, not for all day wear. No, not for hours on end. These are the shoes that you put them on and you're gonna go sit down right away, have yourself a drink so that you're comfortable enough to walk in the shoes and then be on your way. This is my 5th dupe purchase. This is my everyday handbag, my LV Neverfull, another item that I would actually save my real life coins and buy. I love this bag so much. And then I paid $50 for this bag, and it was from a lady from her trunk. She was selling it for $70, but because it was me and my friend, we were buying 2, she gave us both of them for $100, which was an amazing deal. This is it here. It's the monogram LV in brown with the red interior. Of course, it comes with, it's full right now with all my stuff, so I can't even like dip in that, but it does have the little pocket on the inside with the you know, article de voyage, Louis Vuittons, blah blah blah, French words. Of course, it comes with a little pocket thingy, and I do sometimes wear this by itself as a little clutch if I'm going out with my girlfriends or whatever. And I think that's all that's in there. And then sometimes you can, you know, pop it in the sides and keep it if you want to close it up if you're traveling or whatever. But I absolutely love this bag. I literally wear it every single day. I've had this bag for a year now. I've had this bag for a year now, and it is still going strong. Nothing is ripping. I do take care of it. This one did not come with a dust bag. It did come with a dust bag. It did. She did give me a dust bag for this, but because I wear it every day, it's always in my dining room chair, so I'm ready to go. I just pick it up and go. There are 2 more Louis purchases, my final 2. So that was number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so number 6 is this baby right here, and this was my Christmas gift to myself. This is my Louis Vuitton, I forget what she's called, but she came in this orange, the new packaging, the orange box. It came with the dust bag. Honey, it is perfect. It came with the strap, the chain strap. It feels amazing. This is my best purchase. This, and I paid $50 for this. The pink interior, look at that gorgeousness. Look at that. The pink, it comes with the little clutch. It comes with the little card holder, and with the Louis Vuitton Paris Made in France on the top right there. The inside, again, right here has the Louis Vuitton Made in France with a little pocket right there. You can tuck the straps inside the bag, and it fits my keys, it fits my cell phone, it fits credit cards and cash really nicely. And then the lock, you have to like really lock it for it to lock, and it just feels so good. It looks so good. I love this bag right here. I feel like this is every basic chick's goals right here. This bag has brought me so much joy, and like I said, I keep it in the dust bag at all times just so it doesn't get dirty. You have to wear this with specific outfits. Even the flat thingy right here, the button, it has the Louis Vuitton on there. It's just so perfect. So perfect. I'm gonna put it back in the bag so I don't get it dirty with makeup or anything like that, fingerprints, you know. That's what it looks like in the little dust bag. I have to come back and show you. That's what it looks like in the dust bag there. I think this is my last designer dupe purchase, and it is this LV wallet. The main difference between this and the real bag is that the real bag, you see how this has two thingies here? It's supposed to have just one in the middle. If I'm not mistaken, it's just supposed to be one in the middle instead of two right here, and that's the only way I think you can tell that it's not real. And this I got from the same lady who I bought the Neverfull from. I saw her again, and I got this for like $50, and I think it was $50. No, it was less than 50. I think it was like 40. I have another designer dupe purchase. Cheese on peas, Lord God, because I have to go get it. So this is it. It comes with a chain strap, so you can wear it, you know, every day. Like, it goes perfectly with this look right now. And this is what I carry all my cash and my cards and everything in right now. There's no cash in there. Don't judge. Oh, I do have cash in there. I have like $21. But what I do is I'll either take off the strap completely or drop the straps. This is what I do mainly. Drop the straps inside the bag itself, close it, and just carry it like this in my Neverfull. So this is my everyday wallet. And let's say I have to go somewhere really quick. I come home and change or whatever I do. I have to switch bags. I'll just take this wallet out off my Neverfull, take out the straps, and just attach my keys. I put everything in here and leave the ball out like that, and then just close it. Wait, rings falling off and everything. Okay, so yeah, I'll just do that and I'll close it. It's not closing right now. I don't know why it's being annoying right now. We're like on a camera and you're trying to embarrass me. Like, why would you do that? Jeez. Okay, you put it, you close it. It's not doing it. I don't know what's going on right now, but it's refusing to cooperate with me. So, but that's what I would do. And then I'll just be on my way. I love this bag so much. I think it was a good purchase. Again, I got it from a little lady from her trunk. She's really cute and whatever. But hold on one second. Let me turn this off. I'm gonna grab my last purchase. So this right here is my last dupe purchase, and these are, and I was not going to buy them at all. These are the Gucci sunglasses, where as soon as you look at them, you know they're Gucci. Now, this I got from another salesperson on the streets. So, these sunglasses honestly, I wasn't gonna get them. He had this one and he had the all black ones. And I feel like I should have gotten the all black ones because these are just so flashy. You know, it's gonna draw so much attention, but whatever the purchase was made, I paid $25 for these. Now, these on the top top left hand corner, it does have the Gucci printed on there. On the sides, it does have the little Gucci emblem thingy-majiggy. I think it has the bumblebee. Yeah, it has the bumblebees on the little tips of the sunglasses there, and yeah, they cover up most of my face. I don't know how it looks with these with this hairstyle, because I have the really teeny tiny skinny frame ones. When I wear that with like my curly hair or my straight hair, I look bonked. But with this style, it doesn't really do much for me, and I can't really tell from the monitor if it's looking cute or not. So if it's not, I apologize. But this was my last dupe purchase. Again, it was $25. And what I would say, if you're gonna buy sunglasses, because what I did, I googled the actual sunglasses, like the real ones, and compared it to these. And these are, I want to say, not a 1-to-1 ratio, but like maybe a 2-to-1 or a 1-to-2. I failed math, so I don't know which number goes first, the bigger or the smaller. But the main difference between the real ones and these is that the real ones, I think it goes a little bit higher in the corners than this one here. This one is a little bit squarer. It's not completely square, but it's still a little bit squarer than the real ones, if I'm not mistaken. But I love them, and man pan get up in house now I notice the difference. So yeah, this has concluded my dupes collection, my designer dupe collection. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, comment down below and let me know. I'll definitely be purchasing more designer dupes. I'd love to do more of these bougie on a budget type videos for you guys, because I personally love watching them here on YouTube. So yeah, if you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section below. If you feel like I should have mentioned something that I didn't mention, leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.